central Illinois, northern Boone County.
Oh wow, we're in that by about 500 feet.
Until 5:45 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Loves Park, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poplar Grove, Loves Park, Candlewick Lake, Rockford, McChesney Park, Timberlane, Roscoe, Caledonia, and Cherry Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A strong thunderstorm will impact southeastern Rock County through 5 p.m. At 4:18 p.m. The Alpha radar was tracking a 4:40